When a filter is not used in combination with the pump, stones and twigs can enter into the pump and get stuck in the bottom cylinder, pushing the suction valve up. In this case, the pump will not be able to create a vacuum, and the output will be drastically reduced. To clean the stones and twigs from the bottom cylinder, take off the suction valve, then remove the stones and anything being stuck into the bottom cylinder. When everything has been removed, the suction valve can be placed back, placing it around the stem and pulling it around. If this is going difficult, some water and soap might make it easier.